You guys just completed a Choice OS workshop. How do you feel? Woo! Can you talk about your experience in the Choice OS workshop?
Yes, I can. Okay, so when I first got here, the reason why I came is I saw like a few of my friends really dramatically change. And I was just like, I want that. Like, I really need that right now. Like, I'm fucking stuck. I need this. I need to feel what this person's feeling because this is the life, you know? They just look amazing and they are, every time I talk to them, so fucking happy and it's real. And I was like, okay, so they did this. It worked for them. Why can't it work for me? And I got here and I was like, I want the fuck out of here. Like, they told me this is the most intense workshop and yeah, I heard them, but I didn't really hear them. And it was a fucking crazy ride. The craziest ride I've ever been on in my life, like, of like full ecstatic expression of like happiness and like the best feeling I ever had in the world, where I'm crying of happiness in multiple moments for different reasons. And then I'm just like rock bottom at the same fucking day, and then right up and back down, and seeing everyone's scary ass shit like was nuts. And people, I don't know, I don't want to freak the rest of the people out that are watching this, but it is all so worth it, and I am so fucking grateful and happy, and I feel so privileged and special that I am here.
What would you say to someone considering a Choice OS workshop?
Just do it. Just do it. You're considering it. It's calling you. Nike. Just do it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Tessa, can you comment on the difference between your mythic voyage and this Choice OS?
Yeah, so I came because I had a really great mythic voyage and I learned a lot and gained a lot of self-love, and then I didn't do my work afterwards and I felt like I lost a lot of that, which is why I came back. And I really wanted to like prove to myself that I could do it without ayahuasca. You don't need ayahuasca to do it. And what I've really learned this time is that life is about making choices, and like it doesn't matter exactly what the choice is, but it's better than not making a choice. And just like not to be so scared. Like, I've just been living in fear of living, and like maybe stuff will go wrong, but what's the worst that can happen? And I just really need to learn to trust that like everything's going to be okay. Well, actually everything's going to be awesome, because life is just it's a self-fulfilling prophecy, and so whatever we want for ourselves we can make happen, and I'm really, really determined to make that happen this time, and I'm going to put in the work. Like, it doesn't stop here. This is just like take off.
Yep.
Yeah.
Go girl.
Go girl.
Hello, my name is Maritza and I'm a superstar.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I'm just having so much fun. It's like so great because, like as Tessa said, like you decide, you choose who you want to be. And that really blew my mind this time, because it's so easy to fall back into something that like, it's like this and I can't change anything. But really, like if you try really hard and like you really commit yourself to it, you can see that it's all up to you, and it's all up to you to have like this amazing relationship and this handsome man, but like for anyone, or like handsome pussy. I don't know if you're gonna put that in the anyway, but it's, yeah, like just trust, like have fun trusting. There's nothing wrong with having fun in this life. There's nothing wrong with loving your humanity and just glowing and blowing and having lots of fun. And I'm really, really happy. Thank you. Who hasn't speak?
You want to talk about your experience in the Choice OS workshop?
Well, I don't really know how to explain my experience, but it was a fucking roller coaster. But I'm really, really grateful. This was the most fun I've ever had. The most scary thing I've ever done. But I feel now that I can let go of a lot of issues with trust and just commit and trust and love.
And what is the best thing you are taking away from this workshop?
Oh. Well, the best thing that I'm taking away and getting is Tierra Mitica and my man Metza.
Can you describe your experience in the Choice OS workshop?
No. Definitely better than any movie I've ever seen. Just like, I went for a workshop before the Mythic Voyage, and I think that it's getting even more powerful, and we didn't even need the ayahuasca. It's like crazy stuff.
Can you elaborate on the difference between this workshop and the Mythic Voyage with ayahuasca?
Well, I think we just had more time to get like more deeply into things, because with ayahuasca you need to like prepare for it all day and rest up afterwards. So we just had more time to really get to know each other.
So you want to talk a little bit about your experience in the Choice OS workshop?
For sure. Yeah, I just thought it was really powerful, like seeing a different perspective on life, and you know, just seeing a lot of different things inside myself, and like seeing myself and everyone else in the workshop. I thought that was really powerful and awesome, and some of the people that, you know, didn't really like vibe to begin with, like we really opened up to each other, and it was really beautiful. And also Mickey's is like a super awesome philosopher, and he's funny, and it's just, yeah, like he's a little scary, but he's like amazing and super awesome man, like amazing being.
What's the best thing you feel you're taking away from this workshop?
Definitely more accountability. Definitely more just seeing things in a different light, and that's really positive to like really open everybody up, including myself, everybody. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, well, my name's Jeremy. I came here because my life had hit a complete bottom, you know, with work, relationships, everything. You just feel trapped. You don't know where to go. And this experience has completely opened my eyes to things I never even thought about. And, you know, the shifts are real. I mean, you go through a definite emotional roller coaster and into places that you didn't foresee. But if you're willing to at least just trust yourself, you'll reap benefits. Like yesterday, I glowed all day. I just felt this like constant vibrating, and I banged on the drums all night, which is probably some of my hesitation in speaking today. But in any case, so that's my story there.
And what's the best thing you feel you're taking away?
I'm taking much more pride away. Much more.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Aiden wants to say.
I am a man.